not. Don't squawk at me. Rudeness. Rude baby. Try and listen for the vehicles. Because there's somebody driving around, like I said earlier. Yeah, and she can hear them. I don't know if it's my dad or not. There's somebody coming. Look. Sorry, kitty. See? Like I said, she doesn't like vehicles. I don't know if she got... Look at her. Can I go back? Go back. Alright, let's keep going. Because the road is very close here. Pretty sure you can see the deer trails over here. That's interesting. That things are freezing. It's me. Pretty sure he wants that though. That way he can put his cows on this. It's raining. Pouring. I don't know where the old man is. Probably on the couch. Because I know my brother went to bed. And I'm walking my cat. Oh, that might be the bus. That's what that is. I don't even know what time it is. Can't even check.